So I have some good news and some bad news. The good news is that we officially have the launch of spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs in Hong Kong. This has officially gone live, and this is going to be a great thing for the market. In fact, there are articles talking about this all over the place. One of some of the big reasons why this is good and not bad is we don't have things like Grayscale sitting there with a bunch of BTC to just be dumping on the market. This is kind of a natural accumulation that should take place over time. In fact, many of the experts abroad are saying that this could be a big deal because they're underestimating, just like we saw here in the US. So this is a big deal. Now, where the bad news comes in is this is kind of a sell the news event in the markets. Hopefully, I'm sure you guys have seen the charts today. Basically, as soon as these went live, we saw a market dump. Go figure. Further shakeout, people trying to create some fear and uncertainty in the market. And guess what? We're gonna deal with these things. We just have to absorb some of this. And the funny thing is that the more often these are shaking out, the more they're trying to unnaturally push the price down, the less people are getting convinced. Now, we have to wait and see what happens here in terms of BTC and really the rest of the crypto market to see if this is the direction that we're going to see here in the near term. Again, I've said many times, I think this FOMC meeting that's coming tomorrow is going to be a lot bigger deal than what this is. But we have so much uncertainty and so much fear in the market right now. If there's a little sentiment of positive news, or if there's some great accumulations day one in terms of some of these spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs abroad, it wouldn't surprise me if we do get a little bit of a pump as a market. Now, what I'll say is we did do a nice tap on top of our BTC trend yesterday. Perfect tap, came back down. Obviously, we got to sell the news event, and we're very much following this formation to a T. That means basically by what that would be back here mid-May or so, sometime around the 13th through the 15th or so, we need to make a move one way or the other, whether that's to the downside to kind of test down around this 52K range, or if that's a move back to the upside to try to test some of these resistance levels up here. There's a lot of new things that we're dealing with as a market: early adoption, institutional money, enterprises getting into crypto. There's a lot of things taking place that we haven't dealt with market cycles in the past. So this is kind of new territory. Some will say, oh, we have to drop because we dropped before. Well, we have dropped amongst the broader crypto market. Most assets are still down somewhere between 40 to 60%. BTC a little bit less because there's additional buying pressure hitting BTC. There's been additional demand, and that's still kind of being propped up by some buying throughout the space. So I just wanted to share that with everyone. That's kind of what we dealt with. It's exciting that this stuff is now live, and we'll just have to wait to see how much this ramps up over time and how much interest this does in fact push into the market. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.